Hi guys, welcome back. My name is Arthur B. Salvacion from Batangas State University, Bachelor of Science Information Technology. Now, I have a movie review about the Warrior of the Net. Warrior of the Net is how the internet processes the data and how can we able to access through the net. This show the stages or phases of the data being accessed and screened for security purposes. TCP or Transfer Control Protocol is specific purposes like as a message make its way across the internet. TCP operates at a higher level, concerned only with two-end system, for example, a web browser and a web server. In particular, TCP provides reliable order delivery of a stream of bytes from a program on one computer to another program on another computer. Besides the web, other common applications of TCP include email and file transfer. Among other management tasks, TCP controls segment size, flow control, and data exchange rate. Second is through the ICMP and or Internet Control Message Protocol of ping packet. The ICMP server executes on all IP and system computer and all IP intermediate system or router. The protocol is used to repair problems with delivery and IP datagrams within an IP network. It can be shoot to show when a particular end system or ES is not responding when an IP work is not reachable or when a node is overloaded. Um, when an error occurs in the IP header information or etc. Uh, the protocol is also frequently used by the Internet Manager to verify correctly routing packets to the destination address. Third is a ping off. That is a type of attack on a computer that involves sending a malform or otherwise malicious ping to a computer. A ping is normally 56 bytes in size or 84 bytes when a IP header is considered. Historically, many computer systems could not handle a ping packet larger than the maximum IP packet size, which is 65,535 bytes. Sending a ping of this size could crash the target computer. Um, Port is the router is a device that interconnects or two or more computer networks and selectively interchanges packet of data between them. Each data packet contain address information that a router can use to determine if the source and destination are on the same network or if the data packet must be transferred from one network to another. Uh, where multiple routers are used in a large collection of interconnected networks, the router exchanges information about target system address so that uh, each router can build a table showing the preferred paths between any two systems on the interconnected networks. Next is the router. Switch is a type of router located in the middle of multi-protocol label switching or MPLS. Network is responsible for switching the labels used to route packets. Um, when an LSR receives a packet, it uses the label included in the packet header as an index to determine the next hop on the label switch. or, or label switch paths or LSP, and a corresponding label for the packet from a lookup table. The old label is removed from the header and replaced with the new label before the packet is routed forward. Last is the proxy server. Is a server, a computer system or an application program that acts as intermediary for requests from clients or seeking resources from other server. A client connect to the proxy server or requesting some service such as a file connection, web page, or another resource available from different server. The, the server is evaluates the request according to filtering rules. For example, it may filter traffic by IP address or protocol. If the request is validated by the filter, the proxy provides the resources by connecting to the relevant server and requesting the server on behalf of the client. A proxy server may optionally alter the client's request or the server response, and sometimes it may serve the request without uh, contacting the specified server. In this case, it catches a response from the remote server and returns subsequent requests for the same content directly. Now, the internet is composed of a vast number of packets and contain a specific URL of information. These packets are specifically labeled and travel through a lot of channels before we are able to connect or access it. The packets are screened to identify whether the information contained is a thread or is a block. This is why sometimes we are unable to access a website since its packet is destroyed by router or the firewall. The router also serves as a tool in sending the packet to a specific location where it is requested. Um, Although there are many processes involved in the internet, it does not really take much time because it will depend on the server. I think that the video clip is a very informative. I recommended this video for a student or anyone for a better understanding of how an internet works. That's all. The internet is what we need every day, just like our families in abroad, so we can talk to them. We need internet. That's all, guys. I hope you learn my video. Thank you for watching.